In this video, I'm going to show you Burn Club Plus. Basically, it is an extension of the Burn Club, so everything you see in the club is going to be the same. And once you have subscribed, you will be given the role of Burn Club Plus, and you will unlock all of these extra channels. Let's run through them. So first is the Pyro Plus Lounge, which is a members only chatting space. It is a text channel, so it's one big chat room. Here we decide on the next prompts and talk a little more in depth about wood burning and all of the things that are happening in the community. And the forum style channel is Open Studio recordings. Here we have all the recordings of the Open Studio, and we can continue the conversations and share links. And if you are looking for a specific one, then you can use the tags here, exactly the same as the Burn Club. Then you have the selling questions channel, where all of the entrepreneurial pyrography items are, books and podcasts, custom orders. Here you can also ask for pricing help. This is usually a big one for people. So you can post your work by clicking on new post, entering all the information, photos, and we can help you price it. Burnflow is a channel dedicated to textures and learning a little bit more about specific nibs and how to use them. In each post you have all of the things that I've used and how I use it. You also have a video time lapse showing how it looks like in super speed, and then you have a video where I go step by step and show you exactly how to use each individual nib in order to create this texture. More textures are being added on the regular, and if you have any specific texture you don't know how to do but want to achieve, you can also ask, and I will post a video here. In the presents, it is kind of the same idea where there are different techniques and exercises and activities in order to get you kind of in the creative space and get loosened up, and you can choose by the tags again here, and I also include videos of how I completed these exercises. Radial Outlines is a collaboration channel where I give you a outline PDF which you can download and do anything you like with, and I show you how I fill it in, and you don't have to post here, but it would be great to see how you fill it in and how you use it. Just kind of a little bit of a collaboration doodling space. Make sure to unclick the tag when you want to see all of them. Slow Down and Repeat is just all radial symmetry images, drawings, designs in nature, in digital photography, all kinds of mediums, just for fun and to get us inspired. Creative Side Quests is all the other projects, collaging and decoupage and fabrics, all the stuff that I show what I'm doing beyond pyrography, because I like to make a lot of stuff, so I'm sharing my progress and showing you how I do it. That is the Burn Club Plus space, and I really hope to see you there.